Hey, look at my new toy that I got. Well, I got this to replace my computer that's right now about to die. But this is an all-in-one package. It's a Amcrest 4K Ultra HD POE network video recorder. Also comes with 6 terabytes of storage. And you can view everything over a cell phone or any smartphone. All right, let's open this up and see what's inside. All right. Open that up. Oh, it has a little sticker there. Security. Let's open that up. There we go. Come on. Come on, seal break. All right, this is what the back of the box looks like. And that opens up like that. There we go. Comes with a nice little box right here. We'll see what that is in a little bit. And let's take this out. Oh, it just slides out. There it is. Oh, nicely wrapped, nicely secured. So put that right there. That's what we have. And that's all that's in the box. All right, take this out. There you go. Let's take a closer look at this. Yeah, let's cut that open. Don't feel like ripping the bag today. Make it nice. That's the Amcrest right there. And has a USB port right there. Has a LED for hard drive for, I guess, your network and your power. Underneath looks like that. Lets you be able to mount it on a wall, I guess, with these 2 screws. Or feet, just if you want to place it on a shelf or a table. Take a look at the back. There are your, I'm guessing this is your 8 ports for PoE, and then that's for your network. Oh, VGA for computer out, I guess, mic in, mic out, HDMI, another USB, and then there's your power. So that's what this looks like. All right. Inside the box, what do we have here? We have your, oh, it comes with the comes with a little mouse too, so I guess that's cool. A little added feature. What else is in this box? It has your power cord right here. The other part of the power cord. Oh, this is for the another hard drive or hard drive power connection. Your network cable. Another type of hard drive connection right there. And instruction manuals. And that's what's in this box. Got your warranty. Got your quick start guide. So, looks like this unit is going to be a small compact unit. It sure takes up a lot less space than my big desktop. So, all right, I'm gonna take this and go try it out. All right. See you guys on the next episode when I actually try this out.